Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Prosperity Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.prosperitybankusa.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Prosperity Bank opens up on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen, you'll see a sign in to online banking option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in to online banking, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your user ID here, your password here, and then click on the sign in button. After you click on the sign in button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically signed in to the Prosperity Bank. I hope this video helped you to sign into the Prosperity Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.